Hey everyone, welcome to Selective Prep Mathematics, test number 17. This is the solutions video for that exam. So happy days, we do not have an overview in this video. I don't think there were any topics that were entirely difficult. So let's get straight into the solutions. So question 1. Juliana's school ran a 2-week food festival. The school received 952 cans of food in the first week and twice that the second week. So all the cans were divided equally among 12 different charities. So 952 in the first week and twice that in the second week, which means 952 times 3. Okay, I can't do that in my head. So let's do that with long multiplication. So 3, 2, 8, 5, 6, and then let's divide that by 12 to see how many cans each charity got. So 12 goes into 28 twice, leaves over 4. 12 goes into 45 3 times, leaves over 9. 12 goes into 96 8 times, so 238. So 2 gear wheels A and B are in contact. One wheel has 36 teeth, the other has 24 teeth. How many times must the smaller wheel turn before the larger wheel completes a revolution? So it just needs to match the same number of teeth. So 24 teeth, it's going to do 1 full rotation, and then it needs to match 12 more teeth, so another half rotation. So it's going to be 1 plus half equals 1.5. So Rachel bought 2 pens for $2.88 each. Michael bought a pencil for $1.09 and an eraser for 83 cents. Compare the cost of Rachel's purchase to Michael's. So 2 pens equals $5.76 for Rachel. And $1.09 is going to be $1.92 for Michael. So Michael spent 1/3 as much as Rachel. So if you multiply this by 3, you get $5.76. Batting averages are found by dividing the number of runs by the number of times at bat. So Paul's batting average is 0.301. Peter had 50 runs out of 160 times at bat. So let's divide that. So it's going to be 5. So we can it's 50 divided by 160. We can kind of get rid of the zeros. So it's going to be 5 divided by 16. Let's do 5.0000 because we know it's not going to be a nice whole number for us. So it's going to be 0 point and then 50. 16 goes into 53 times, leaves over 2, goes into 2 once. Okay, 20 once, leaves over 4, goes into 40 twice, leaves over leaves over 8. Okay, and then goes into that 5 times. So 3, 1, 2, 5. Which means that Peter has a greater batting average than Paul. So Paul's batting average is less than. So that's part B. Question 5. A delivery man is placing boxes on an elevator. Each box weighs 15.9. So 5 boxes are placed on the elevator. So how many is that? How many kilograms is that? So 5. So 5, 4, that should be a 9, sorry, if you can read that. So 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 is 9. Take over the 2. So 79.5. So how many kilograms do we have left over? 20.5. Okay, so if the elevator can hold 100 kilograms, how many more boxes can be placed? So 1 more. Because if we have 2 more, it's going to be like 31.8, which is more than 20.5. So we can only fit 1 more box on. Angela's going shopping for her family at Baker's Delight. She was told to buy 15 onion rolls. So onion rolls, so 15, so you can buy 12 for $2, and then another 3 for 50 cents. So that's your onion rolls. 10 hamburger buns, so you can buy 6, for 0.85, and then plus 4 left over, so 0.85 times 2/3, and then 2 loaves of rye bread, so that's plus 135. Okay, so that's $2.50 plus 135 plus 85 cents for now, and then we'll add this on later because we need to calculate it. So 250 plus 135. Let's do 135 plus 185 first. So that is 230 220 plus 250 equals 440. 470. Maths is not my strongest suit today, which means if we add 2/3 of 0.85, it's most likely going to be 527. The other values are a little too high. Even if we added a full 85 cents, we wouldn't get any of these. Okay, so $4.70 plus 0.85 times 213 equals 527. Question 7. The Council of Whitehorse has decided to put a paved path around Blackburn Field. The path will be built so the area of the park remains the same. So the park doesn't change. So the park is 210 by 460. The path is 3 meters wide. There's 3 on this side, 3 on this side, 3 here, and then 3 here. So the perimeter of the path and the park together, okay, so it's going to be, this side is going to be 466, this side is going to be 216, and then times 2 each. So this is going to be 432, this is going to be 500, oh, lots of maths. Oh, sorry, not 500, 932. There you go. So 432 plus 932 should give you 1364. All right, the graph shows the amount of money Mrs. Harry's class earned each day of their fundraiser. How much did they earn each day on average? So it was 140 plus 100 plus 80 plus 120 plus 150. So this together is 200. This together is 240. So this together is 440 plus 150 equals 590. Okay, so that's a lot of money. So when we divide that by 5, what do we get? 118. So that's E. How many different ways are there to travel from Brian to Kevin if travel is only allowed in the direction of the arrows shown in the drawing? So let's go down first. Down, I think, has only one option. So down, right, right, right. So that's 1. Now, it's a bit different when we go to the right again. So that's 1. So Brian, Kylie, and then right, and then, sorry, you can either go down this way or this way. Okay, so let's go down the left side first, and then you go right, right again. So that's another. And then Brian, Kylie, and then you go down this way. So that's another way of doing it, and then straight to the right. So that's 1 more. Or you can go Brian, Kylie, and then straight to Ian, and then down to Cole, and then to Kevin. So that's 1 more. Or you can go Brian, Kylie, Ian, Julian, and then straight down to Kevin. So that's 5. Okay, so 5 different ways. Now, Caitlin bought 2 skirts for a total of $54 and 3 equally priced dresses. So that's a total of $258. Find the price of each dress. So 2 skirts together is 108. 258 minus 108 equals 150. No, something's wrong there. She spent a total of $258, not including... Oh, sorry. For a total of 54. So 254, not including the 3 dresses. So when we try and find the cost of the 3 dresses, it's going to be 8, 1, 204. Sorry. Making a lot of mistakes today. So it's going to be $68. Okay? So 258 minus 54 equals 4, 204. And that's how much 3 dresses cost. So we divided that by 3, got 68, meaning that each dress is worth $68. All right. So that brings us to the end of this video. Good job, everyone, for finishing the video. No key points from this test. I guess take it easy. Don't make any silly mistakes, so be careful. Okay, time is important, but you don't want to rush through every question, get them all wrong, because then you've just wasted all of your time. Okay, so you can take a little bit more time to just double check each of your questions, but don't spend way too long in each question. It's like 5 minutes on one question is a bit too long. Maybe spend like 1 or 2 minutes on each question. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. I will see you maybe in the next video.